We got the hummingbird flying around. It's a little one, and it's taking a shower. You'll see it darting back and forth. It got what it wanted, now it's gone. It might come back. Oh, it's here. It's on the fence now. And it's pruning its feathers. It's right in the middle of the screen. Yeah, it's right there. It's pruning its feathers now. That's a young one. It's a young male. He's got a grayish kind of collar. The older male has an iridescent. And he's up on the fence pruning. He's got his fill. I'm watering Frank's plants because they need water. Frank hasn't been around. Let's see if we can summon it back. Oh, it took off. It took off. It startled it, but it went up into those trees. That's where it's nesting at. Alright, good.